Hey, it's Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the countdown rocket. Before beginning, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut everything apart. Now I can lay out my design. Don't worry, we also provide a layout guide. Next, I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to both sides of the rocket to hold it in place. Then I'll peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the rocket firmly onto the floor. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the rocket to peel off a section of the backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use the squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to press the image down. To place the flames and sides of the rocket, I'll completely remove the backing and hover my image over the rocket, slightly overlapping. Using the same wave-like motion with my squeegee, I'll apply the flame. For the stars, I'll use the same method of removing the backing and applying the star in a wave motion. Thanks for watching!